going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. Today I got a tool haul for you. The next couple videos I have are tool hauls that I've already had recorded, but I haven't uploaded them, so stay tuned for that. It's gonna be like some Milwaukee stuff, some Kobalt stuff. Got Harbor Freight, and took a run to my local pawn shop, picked up a few things. So yeah, stay tuned for that, and hope you guys enjoy. Later. Alright, so taking advantage of that 30% off coupon, I picked up the foam kneeling pad. This was $4.99 and brought it down to $3.49. It's definitely nice to have when you're working on the car. Just throw it around real quick. I don't have to break out my rollout mat or anything. Definitely a nice little pickup. I picked up the 10-inch hook and loop cable ties. These are the nylon velcros, which I don't have any of. Be nice if you want to reuse them and all that, you know, wrapping whatever you need with it. It's a 20 piece. This was $4.40, normally $6.30. Picked up this 80-piece copper washer set. This was $3.50, normally $5. It's good for electrical. And next up, I picked up the quick disconnect tool. I do have the plastic ones, but I figure these a little bit sturdier, made out of metal and all that. And definitely a lot of different sizes within it, and only having two tools, so you don't have all these separate plastic pieces. But this was only $6.30. Normally $9. Not too bad. Those are all the sizes if you need to know. Picked up a 5-inch deep throat C U-clamp. I don't have any of these styles, so figure why not. This was $3.84, normally $5.50. Definitely doesn't seem too bad. Quality's decent. It's a lifetime. Can't complain about that. I did pick up another pipe wrench. This one's a little smaller. This is the 10-inch. This was only $4.19. Normally $6. Never have too many wrenches. Got another 11-inch padlock or padlocking clamp. Got this for $3.80, normally $5.50. I think I'm good with the two that I have now, unless I need more. But not too bad for $5. No, I meant for under $4, definitely. And I used my 20% off coupon on the universal valve compressor. Eventually I will have use for this once I do like an engine refresh down the road. I figured I'd just pick it up. It was only $9.60. Normally $12. So not too bad. I did pick up another tarp as my free item. But yeah, that does it for that little haul. Alright, so this is the Kobalt die grinder, 24 volt. It is brushless. I believe it's one of their fairly new releases in store, so don't quote me on that. Well, let's open this up. Well, yeah, if you want to see the specifications. This is tool only. Manual. Definitely feels nice. It's all rubber molding right here and on the shaft as well. Lock out so you can unscrew the nut. There's the wrench. Yeah, let's throw a battery on here. Alright, so I got a 2.0 and a 4.0. I would like to pick up one of their, I think it's a 6 that they released. 6 or 8. It is a 1/4-inch collet on it. There's your speed selector. At the 10,000, 17.5, and then 25,000. Really nice light on it as well. 3 LEDs around the ring. It is a nice trigger. You just push and it'll hold by itself. And 25,000. Definitely not as loud as I thought it would be. Sounds nice. Decently quiet. Yeah, if I get to using it, I'll try to post a video of it. I'm definitely happy with this. Like I said before, I like the Kobalt line. The tool itself has a 5-year warranty. And you definitely can't beat, that it's brushless, and they're definitely stepping up their game. Let's try the 4.0 just to see if it's any faster. Definitely seems like it. Yeah, but I think that's just a normal thing. Tools always run better with a bigger battery.